myself
to support and uphold the purposes of the association and contribute actively for the achievement of its goals, mission and objectives. I further commit myself at all times to adhere to the ethical, moral and professional values, rules and standards generally accepted by the nursing profession, and that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and responsibilities incumbent upon a member of the association. So help me God. Congratulations.